Hello friends! Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a baby dragon. Dragon is a beautiful and cute drawing. Okay friends, let's draw a dragon. First of all, you draw the eyes like a circle. Okay, another circle. Nice. Color inside like this and like this. Draw this and this line. Eyebrow. This eyebrow. Next, you draw and make a curved line here. Nice. Now you draw a circle here and here. Next step, you draw this and this. Go ahead. Next step, you draw this line. Good job, friend. Next, you can draw this. Nice. And this. Good job. Next, you draw this curve. Nice. Next step, you can draw this line. Nice. Draw like this. Nice. Draw this. Okay. So cute drawing. Next step, you can draw. You can color inside the circles. Nice. Next step, you can draw. Make a curved line. Nice. And like this. And like this. Good job. Next step, draw this line and this line. You can draw this and this. Draw line here. This is his body. Now, we can draw, make a curved line. Okay. Draw this and connect. Draw this and this. Whoa, good job. Right side and left side. Draw like this. Now, you can draw. Whoa, like this. Make a curved line. You can draw like this. Whoa. Next step, you can draw like this. Whoa. So cute dragon. you can draw the clouds like this. Like this. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.